Hi, my name's Shelby Gardner, and I'm going to be doing this problem today. It says, after your family's Thanksgiving, you have 1/3 of one pie left over and 4/6 of another pie left over. You combine both pies into one box. How much total pie do you have left over? Okay, so the question says, how much total pie do you have left over? So you're looking for the total pie. And it tells you in the question, you have 1/3 of the first pie and 4/6 of another pie left over. So since you're looking for the total, you know that you're going to add the two together. Okay, so first, I'm going to write our two numbers down. So we have 1/3 of the first pie plus 4/6 of the second pie. So we need to add these together. Now first what we need to do is we have to make the two denominators equal. Okay, so first we need to find the least common multiple of 3 and 6. So I'm going to come down here and find the least common multiple. So I'm going to start with 3. You know that 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, now I'm going to go to the 6's. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And 6 times 3 is 18. So what we need to do is we need to find which number in each of these is the same for the least common multiple. So we can see that each of them have 6 in common, and that's the least number on here. So we know that we need to make 1/3. We need to make the denominator of a 6. So I'm going to come down here and write my 1/3, and we know that it needs to be a 6 in the denominator. So if you come over here, you can see that 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. So you know that you have to do 3 times 2 to get your 6. So whatever you do in your denominator, you have to do the same thing to your numerator. So since we did 3 times 2 is 6 in the denominator, we're going to do 1 times 2 in the numerator. So that gives you 2/6. Okay, so now that we've got this changed, we are going to erase this and we're going to write our 2/6 in place of the 1/3. So we have 2/6 here. So both of our denominators are 6. So since we have the same denominator, our denominator in our answer is going to stay 6. And then all we have to do in our numerator is 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay? So if you have a pie that is 6 pieces in total, and there are 6 pieces there, you know that that is equal to 1 whole. So you have a whole pie. So now I'm going to show you how to do this same problem with the fraction circles. Okay, so I'm going to use the 1 whole just so we know how that is set out. Okay, so our question says that we have 1/3 of one pie. So here's our 1/3 and 4/6 of another pie. So I have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, and 4/6. Okay, so we knew from our the way we previously did the question, that 1/3 is equal to 2/6. Okay, so since we changed the denominator already, we're going to get rid of this 1/3 and replace it with 2/6. So we can see that 2/6 is equal to 1/3. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you put this on top of your 1 whole, you're going to get that the 6 pieces of pie that we have left is going to give you 1 whole pie that you have left in your box.